Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is a bit jumpy here. We are on the move. Yeah, decent movement here. Decent movement here on the BTC chart. Yeah, BTC USD. We broke obviously above the A wave high, and that is the level where I told you if we get above that level, I can't really look at this as a triangle anymore. Absolutely not, because while the triangle can be counted as complete, yeah, it never really broke the triangle to the downside. It never broke below the B wave low. So take that off the chart. Well, that leaves now here a little bit of an unclear bottoming structure. It's quite an unclear one. So I'm just highlighting it could be that this is purely a high X wave. Yeah, that this is just resistance, that we're just heading into resistance here for this X wave. So we do get a WXY, just not as a triangle. Well, the X wave not as a triangle. So that's certainly something to keep in mind. I cannot rule that out just because everything that happened down here is just deeply corrective. But this is sort of what I see now. I mean, things can change. We can certainly construct this whole thing in a different way, but I think we have a possible 1-2 setup here. It's just that the difficulty is, where do I put the 2? Do I put the 2 here? I mean, but does it even matter from a trading point of view? Not really, because this is, again, in my opinion, what I often say, a waste of brain power. Yeah, we try to figure out the most pristine Elliott Wave count in a correction. It's just often not. No, it's often hardly possible, because sometimes they just turn around. And what is much more useful than trying to figure out, okay, where did the X wave sit and whatever, is what is the range where price should get into and should reverse out of. So it's done that, right? It's done that again. It's reversed out of the orange support area. So again, from a technical point of view, because market has moved quite a bit, it's now time where at least it might be reasonable to consider to adjust the stop loss if anybody entered in this trend reversal area, because just to take the risk out, because this could still break down. Why could it still break down? Because we are, let's just double check that, I believe just sort of maxing out resistance here. Yeah, I mean, we've pulled back now to the 78.6 fib retracement. That's absolute typical retracement for an X wave. It's already a strong one, but it's one that's possible. Here, 28,568. That's one of the resistance levels here. After that, we've got here obviously the 28,820 level and 29,200. So be aware. I mean, we could, if we turn around, we could turn around here. That would be an ideal spot. Above that, I would rather be in favor of a breakout. But again, we then still have, I mean, I'm already in favor of a breakout, right? So we talked about that. As long as we're holding 27,560, the idea of a direct breakout is there. And it could be from here, could be from here. So again, that's just sort of the really trying to figure out that, you know, something that often can't be figured out, because especially in a corrective structure, things can change so quickly. So I'm going to put here, let's say, at the moment, I call it the alternate wave 2, because it could have bottomed here, possibly here, yeah, or will still come down once more. I wouldn't be surprised of another move down, just because we've done it here so often. This is strong resistance up here. Other coins aren't really moving yet, and this is an unclear bottoming structure. So, but again, you know, Bitcoin can always surprise, and that's why we're looking at these trend reversal areas. And as long as we're holding them, the direct breakout is always preferred. So yeah, let's see. It's now a bit of a wait and see. If we break out directly, then yeah, next target we're looking at sort of 30K, right? And should we come down once more, then at least, and that would be the good thing, the Y wave has decent space, yeah, because it's all about often having oftentimes the wave W and the wave Y, they have the same length. And had the X wave finished here at the end of the triangle, the Y wave would have been very short. So this move up actually gives some comfort in terms of, okay, should we get that Y wave down, at least it would give some more confidence that we can hold this support area. So yeah, the messiness continues. Yeah, but so far, yeah, let's see. This is another attempt of breaking out. Let's see if it can do that. Certainly did shoot up quite a bit. Did shoot up quite impulsively, but in an X wave, yeah, it could just be again, in some kind of an ABC structure here, which is unfolding. And just to give you an idea why this actually is not absolutely, actually quite a realistic count, because this could have been A wave, this could have been the B wave triangle, and then the C wave now to the upside. Okay, so that makes sense. A and then A, B, C, D, E in the triangle, for example. Yeah, certainly valid count. And then now a C wave up. Could be nearly done. Yeah, maybe one more squiggle to the upside. Then we could come down, but happy to be surprised, happy to get finally that breakout that we've been forecasting. But it's all about that understanding where do probabilities shift, and probabilities will shift if we get below the 27,560 level. Then this direct breakout is getting at least delayed, and we have a chance to rally again from around about 27K. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.